All right, guys, welcome back. I'm really excited for today because guess what? We finally get an ODE that's solderless for the PlayStation 1 and PS1. So take a look. All right, so first and foremost, you can see that they're right now taking pre-orders, but it's temporarily paused due to some processing issues that they might be having. So I'm gonna pre-order it. And I'm gonna definitely review this for the channel, but I'm excited. The price is decent. It's not that much, so it's looking pretty good for the pricing. So let me just go ahead and let's go over the highlights. The biggest thing here is the solderless installation. Obviously, installs without soldering, replaces the original CD-ROM drive and connects using small sets of cables. That is the biggest thing we've been waiting for so long when it comes to these things. I'm excited for it. And it's awesome that it's finally here. Finally, we get one for the PlayStation 1 that you don't have to solder anymore. It's going to be an SD card, of course. So, it's just like any other ODE. The good thing is that it has a virtual memory card that's going to be available with this one. Although it's not going to be available on the PS1s apparently, and I think it's some of them. So each game gets its own memory card file on the SD card, so saves don't compete for space. So this is awesome. And of course, you get to reset the menu via the gamepad, like any other ODE that pretty much has that. It supports the multi-disc. We don't need no more mod chip, and it's region free. So your basic usual ODE stuff is here. So one of the things I was looking at this is the console support. So PlayStation 1 fat models and PS1. However, some features are unavailable on the PS1 due to missing connectors without soldering. So I believe it's like what was mentioned. The VNC is not going to be part of it. So that's there are some trade-offs when it comes to the PS1, but at least we still get it for the PS1, which is awesome. This is freaking awesome. I can't believe that we finally got one. It's been like a long time coming. And then you basically get what's included on, and that will come in when you order it. So yeah, I'm very excited, you guys. I can't wait to get my hands on this. Right now, like I said, they're taking pre-orders, but even well, they temporarily put it on pause, but even so, like, let's look at it on the PS1, the fat, like, I'm sorry guys, I was just hyped up for this. So this has been a long time coming for me, and I know for many of you guys as well. So I'm very happy. I'm excited. I can't wait to get my hands on one of these bad boys. But yeah, guys, I wanted to make this quick video because it was brought to my attention. I didn't realize this came out, and I've been keeping an eye on these things because I've been waiting for one of these. Like I said, this has been a long time coming, and yeah, I know many of us have been waiting for this moment. The other thing that I'm hoping that this one will do better than the X Station is the fact that hopefully, maybe, now this is more like a wish list of mine, but we can add custom images to the images, what do you call it, like the covers and whatnot to the games, or maybe make the menu more interactive than the regular ODs. Because right now, for instance, if you look at the X Station, it's just it accomplishes what it needs to do, but I like to have a little bit more of a menu there. It's yeah. So I hope that maybe the person that's developing this might in the future, as like an update or a firmware update, will maybe release something like that. That's more like a wish list on my end. So, but nonetheless, guys, regardless of what happens, even if it sticks to a plain menu, this is freaking awesome. I'm glad. I'm stoked this is here finally. This is based in Ukraine, I believe, the person that's developing this. So I think this is why they're having issues with the the payment processing at the moment. But yes, I am so happy and excited for this. No more soldering. You know, and trust me, I like to solder things, but if we don't have to, if we could, this this is exactly what ideally what we want, because you can put it back together. If you take it, you could put back the CD-ROM and have your CD games if you want to, or you could trade it out if for some reason the CD-ROM gives it. And now you have the ODE. How awesome is that? You can go back and forth on it. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe. You know, I'm very hype about this. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comment section. Are you guys hyped for this too as well? You know, are you gonna plan to get it? I am. I don't think there will be any need for me to get any more of the soldering mods, to be honest with you, once this comes out, because at this point, what's the point of getting like another X station, or I believe the Pico station is the other one. I was gonna try it out, but what's the point now when you have this? So I'm very excited. Yeah, I know you guys could tell. But anyways, guys, thank you so much if you tuned in this far. Like I said, please like, subscribe. Catch me on the next one. Peace, guys.